Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Rice Krispies treats at home. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 3 tablespoons of butter, 4 cups of mini marshmallows, and 6 cups of Rice Krispies cereal. Next, prepare a 9 by 13-inch baking pan by lightly greasing it. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a perfect batch every time. Now let's get cooking. In a large saucepan, melt 3 tablespoons of butter over low heat. Once the butter is fully melted, add 4 cups of mini marshmallows. Stir continuously until the marshmallows are completely smooth and combined with the butter. It's crucial to keep the heat low to prevent burning. As soon as they're melted, remove the pan from the heat. With your marshmallow mixture ready, it's time to add the star ingredient. Gently fold 6 cups of Rice Krispies cereal into the warm marshmallow mixture. Stir quickly but thoroughly until every piece of cereal is evenly coated. Then, transfer the entire mixture into your prepared 9 by 13-inch baking pan. Use a buttered spatula or wax paper to press it down firmly and evenly. Almost there, let your delicious Rice Krispies treats cool completely at room temperature for about 30 minutes. This allows them to set properly, making them easier to cut. Once cooled, slice them into 2-inch squares and enjoy your homemade creation. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy snacking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.